Yes, other for Mamu in Aquaba. Other over platform me as a host and J. And I want to make a D as your money so and the kind whatever platform me as so and a smash subscribe to the so for latest update. Turning behind notification was send away newly updates behind no a very rich was so therefore serious and see the answer among air trendy OG celebrities for the channel and one use to be over this particular platform as so often. You see, therefore, the updates be a blame, such as a new force, new Ghana, and as a new task for you as a mobile board, a circulating on which maski. Therefore, yet me a police form, so it's me a cofa back home. Not or motor says, you must say NBI with the FBI, no monsoon air to tona noa. A bay and same that finally. Or monsoon up him our court, I be and same that I be able to. Ghana youth in the being so yes, it's a demonstration against the arrestment of that lady. And for one thing, I will decide that any for the agro. I ain't say we do be as safe. I will decide here. And
so, Cotu say, we are Ghana new Jan Manu. I did see a messenger woman.
What was it? Depending on your back.
Maiden, me say, won't to say, our boy and your friend, Nana, and I would do or whatever. My body, what they want to do. So when you near air by the swat and quafache, ash. What you say? And he says, Monsieur Mignans,
yes, other for so what I said, I said, Wednesday summer, whatever Kennedy at Japan, so above mountain or say, oh, Boagan and near, now I do receipt, sending a quiet down cover piano. Or could never be now with you when I was maybe out or receipt in ye, not on no archie. Now I can only say I'm pa, Wabuana and Panenche, now black man, you roughly papa, why a man. I found what you Ghana say, how bad you. I just said to me that crowd, I say, a brand team is no 18 come on, you could see, you know, so I can't decide.
Shatawale ja, and I'm saying, but quite you'll be our Ghana. Yawana saw what they back at 2014 said, could form pioneer in Yakofa Pro. Pronto so koya de buy the tro that means trouble John Dramani Mahama. Parliament for no more boy a bloma Ghana want to mark up Puto and Belbulo. Mon share massa what they say. MPP abaya will Ghana for Puto. Obi bien who to Misha Puto Ghana. Puto are incompetent man John Dramani Mahama and Manglon. And at was what look Puto. Obient to mention Puto.
Yes, other for so what I say. Nessa Winston and some Blanchins no edit about one thing, and not a thing. I will kind of hard decide there. You see, dear, my master says, "Me crazy." Went to me. They say, "Hey, I know what thing." So what I say, out for pa, and you for the agro. Finally, just a new force of Winston, or more alliance in the hot trouble. I be a day job by any kind of video be over the sans in your day, and bra. So what I say, we don't Ghana how, but offshore idea ne krokro no more demonstration na. Amana yet to say, what is that bro don't be quite simple. So what I say, idea no more demonstration no and yet chalk be and I that to be say a printing the collect and I the amount. So what I say new force of way almost not to miss on my pass. What I say, what to miss on my pa. Now for a brand say a friend say Captain Caesar 18 will be at the and also a bro if any force for your chum. We will do come at the Afaka Chida be the but yet the and also a bro lawyer. Being so 18 come and continue on so eka e dia fache say e kwan a say ekoso e wode side here fache say new force for ya kwachi wo mu nipa ba kwen arafo an wote yen continue on so kan wode side.
When you bring a person to court and the court admits the person to bail, what happens is that the investigators are under a duty to go and inspect the properties or the homes of the sureties. That's what you do. So assuming court is closing and the judges do not have a place, or the court does not have a place to keep the accused person, right? Then an investigator could then say that, well, they will take her and keep her in custody until those inspections are done. But under this circumstance, that's not what is happening. The bail has been granted, the sureties are around, and the sureties have actually properly so-called brought their ID cards and supply same to the register of the court. The only thing left is for the inspectors, the investigator to inspect the homes of the sureties so that the sureties will sign for her to be released. That's what is left. But what is happening now that we want to go and keep her and until whatever, I mean, very, very respectfully, that will be an abuse. It will violate her right to fair trial. It will violate her right to freedom of movement. It will violate her right not only under the Constitution of Ghana, but under the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. I mean, the UN Convention on Elimination of all forms of discrimination against women. I mean, how do you treat a foreigner like that on your land? Ghanaians are also, we are also foreigners elsewhere, right? And so how we want to be treated elsewhere is the same way we should treat other people here. So if you have an issue, no problem. You brought the matter to court. The court has admitted the person to bail. Please, let's release her on bail. I think that would amount to contempt of court, and we won't accept that because that would be unlawful. In fact, that would be unlawful. I mean, it will be an affront to the decision of the court today. Unless someone is saying that she's being rearrested, in which case you have to let us know the reason for the arrest. Because you can't just go about arresting a person for no reasonable cause. So you should be telling us that, okay, you are under arrest for this offenses, which is going to be investigated. But when the person has not committed any offense, and you bring the person to the court on specific facts, and the court reviews the facts and admits the person to bail, we would expect that you will respect the decision of the court. Otherwise, then that will not be rule of law, that will be rule of jungle.
Yes, other four nice Winston in summer. There's a lawyer you Winston about one thing. If I say Sheila, say Charlie, you say Sheila, say Charlie, so Nechia Yachina, you saw Kansas a new force for no honor, or no more in a name for the first time. And as a Ghana police was a Ghana Mlabi Suno after children of Barry. A braba paying Suno HM say a abusement. And as I say, a dear my lady FS Charlie, I'm editing. So I say, I'm Ed the Bablan say friends say Captain Season soon 18 come out for Charlie. You're putting on so eka.
And then I behu or the new force nano, and then I behu. O Bruni Bana or Free Belgium na a cheno, and then I didn't echo court. And then I didn't echo court. I could ask him. See a bedi portuno, see a din betumo, see a bejano, and then I behu. Media may say quam cheddar, and a den new force for nano, quam cheddar, and a den new force for nano. Na lady so I come up our Brunino, who try pa. Now we're back come say pan we Jimisano. One more quam cheddar we that down. At this settings. Which I will no video no that's your no. Video no and that's your no more than a cocoa no. Which I will no where the settings where the amfa. I quite the my yazampa, my say me what cherry. Massa, Ghana prison. And tuntum we are burial. Ubenu one shot your mouth 3 months. Ube tuntum. Ghana chronum de beto chacha. More the Ghana eba to chacha. And then you behu omo the new force no. Media minim say quam cheddar quam cheddar. Ese mu deporting we crazy mu deporting in tentem kura. First in history. And that will be the first country, African country, deported Belgium ni Bruni. We could bet me cry the AJ Guinness World Record. Mun deporting no, kwasi ya Ghana na mde beto chacha. Obak
Masa, ya munya elite talk so what I say, obia ni hwa onkura nkra totimon bi so edna ko jilda. Akwa we question it sebe I am in person media atemba to we sebe we question it 2 months. Why na yakwache no country bi say wo kura nkra ta edna ko to prison da. Enye deport me de be ma. Na edin pani to prison. I am amon yesa. Mo tete abrochire mpo na mo keka nkwase asem sei. Na ye na nanu mo mu gwa kura so mo be kan de. So will be a channel say when in craft or the take on a day, said the panel seat in the court to prison. Abba, criminal case be no way. Ghana any ben actually so in craft our bruchida, yet not go to prison. And your bonny be boaba, Abba, and I'm say the ancient I just am class seminal. Now when you honey dead man be same do be a sea, be my cram, bye bye.